and warm welcome to the first day of your class, part 1, MSc part 1, semester 1. As you already aware about the fact that first of all, just today I will introduce about this all these particular whatever the papers are there and what will be the pattern of the exam and all these things. Okay, dear students, today which teacher will take which paper that I will say you. You know, physical and analytical will taught by myself, and the two links I sent to you for the physical, separate link for the physical and a separate link for the analytical. And Shoaib sir and Pawar sir sent a link for that particular day paper. Pawar sir will taught the inorganic and Shoaib sir will taught the organic. Four papers are there for this semester 1 and semester 2. Semester 1 and semester 2, all the four papers will be there as it is as like the TY. Physical, inorganic, organic and analytical. Okay. Then in the part 2, that the different full organic will be there. There will be the syllabus for the four papers will be there. Different four papers will be there. Project will be there in the semester 3rd and the 4th, means in the part 2. We'll talk about part 1. We have to focus now only on the part 1. You know, the paper pattern or exam pattern is a 60-40. 60-40 is nothing but a 40 internal marks and the 60 is the external exam. Like that, the marks are there. Now, what is in the 40 marks? In the 40 marks, there will be the assignment, there will be the test, there will be the presentation, there will be the participation in the seminar and the conferences like that. So many different headings are there in the 40 marks. Okay, we will guide you about this. We will convey message time to time with you what we have to do for this 40 marks. Okay, and 5 marks for the attendance and that all these things are there. Okay, you don't bother about these things. This is the 40 marks and the 60 marks paper will be there. Okay, remember one thing is that all the paper setting and if it is an online exam, then the MCQ type exam will be there, multiple choice question will be there, and that question paper will send by the university for online exam as well as the offline exam. For the offline exam, 60 marks paper will be there. In that 5 questions will be there. Okay, 12 marks of each. How that paper, that particular marks allotment will be there. In the each paper, there are the 4 units. Okay, in each paper, there are the 4 units. Unit 1, Unit 2, Unit 3 and Unit 4. Okay, 15 marks question. 5 questions are there, 12 marks per question. Okay, the question number 1 had 12 marks from the Unit 1. Second question will be from Unit 2, 12 marks. Then question number 3 is for the 12 marks from the Unit 3. Question number 4, 12 marks from the Unit 4. And question number 5 will be based on all the 4 units for the 12 marks. This is the distribution of the marks in the physical or say offline examination. In the online examination, same pattern will be there. 50 MCQs will be there as earlier. Okay, 50 MCQs will be there, 1 for 1 marks. Okay, there will be the different levels, easy to difficult, like the levels will be there in the MCQ, and that all the MCQs and the paper will be sent by the University of Mumbai. Okay, nowadays see, the physical colleges are supposed to start in the after the Diwali vacation. The guidelines has not received yet, but it's supposed to start after the Diwali vacation, but we don't know exactly, because yesterday in the news I heard that the increase in that COVID patient has been started. Okay, we have to take care of that. Consider that we will for the timing we will think that this semester may be the online. Okay, if it is offline, don't worry, it is a very fixed pattern of the paper is there from the university. Okay, fixed questions are there. Rather than this MCQ, this that particular physical examination is very good because it gives the good marks rather than these MCQs, because you can in the MCQs what happens, you are unable to find the correct answer, because four options are there, and at the time of the exam they are looks like the similar one. No, that is a big problem in that, and that's why we have to maximum made the focus on these things. Okay, don't worry about these things. Whatever the pattern, it is online or say offline, we have to struggle it, we have to fight it, and we have to score the good marks. That is our aim. You are the first batch of this college, and it's our privilege. We should have to keep our record as earlier as 100% result for examination. Okay, uh, so all will start the study. See, I have circulated the syllabus copy with you. I will circulate the notes step by step with you. Okay, I am also preparing the question answer wise notes to you, but I will give you till the if it is offline exam, then I will give you that particular question answer type notes to you. If it is online or same CQ type, then all the notes are sufficient. If you once read, you can able to write or say solve this or say attempt this particular MCQs. Okay, my work is going on to write the question answer. Okay, the students from the Murut periphery, they can come to the college, they can sit in the library, and they can start the preparation for that. Okay, I am making the availability of the books for the NET set examination also. I have the set of the books to prepare for this examination. If anybody willing to do, you have to start study from this day one. You don't have to wait for the when I will fill the form and I will start the study. It should not be like that. Okay, from day one you have to see something. See, nowadays, you know, the all are having the smartphones, and all are using that particular net. Google is there, and Google is the big master. Okay, Google is having the information of all the things whatever you want, that you have to remember. In the syllabus copy, each and every point is given, which part is there, and same part will be taught by us. If you are not getting anything, you can just put that word on the Google. You will get a lot of information, and you can read it. What is expected in the MSc? You people have to remember that. Generally, I said to my student who came in the last week to the college, at that time I said them, you have to read the reference books, and from that reference book you have to prepare your own notes, because in the MSc what is checked, your whatever the answer written by you, that is in your own words, or you have copied from somewhere, or say copied from the some notes like that. Okay, that is a particular assessment. In some of the student, because I have the experience for the earlier college also, in that student were writing the all the thing from the notes available in the market. Okay, and they said, sir, we have attempted it, but we couldn't got this full marks for this particular things. I said that assessor or the paper assessor, see that what you have written, that is in your own word or not. Whatever you have written on the paper, that is in your own word. Whatever you got, you have written, or say you have copied from the somewhere notes, whatever available in the market. Because teacher knows that, no? Because when the student write any answer, at that time there are so many mistakes. And if you are thoroughly doing that study and you are writing that things, then it is immediately identified by the that particular assessor. That's why I'm saying you have to always try to write the answers in your own word. You have to use your own that framing and the wording of the answer. Okay. Now I'm just sharing the screen, and here we will discuss about the syllabus of this physical chemistry for this semester 1. Okay, each unit is having the 15 lecture. First one is the thermodynamics. This terms you will appear like the same in the FY itself. You have studied this particular Joule-Thomson experiment, Joule-Thomson's coefficient, inversion temperature. Okay, but here we have to see in the detail this Maxwell equation, Maxwell thermodynamics relations, state function, exact differential. That here it is in detail we have to see. In the FY, SY, TY, you have just studied that, yes, in the definition, yes, in the equation, and like that. Third law of thermodynamics, entropy changes for the phase transition, absolute entropy is determination of the absolute entropy in terms of the heat capacity, standard molar entropy, and their dependence on the molecular mass and molecular structure, residual entropy. All these things are there. We will see one by one. Then unit 2 quantum chemistry, same part was there in the TY chemistry, classical mechanics, failure of the classical mechanics, 3 failures was there, black body radiation, then the Compton effect. Okay, then need for the quantum mechanics, particle wave and Schrödinger wave equation, wave functions, properties of the wave function, normalization of wave function. This is an additional part. Okay, operator, same operator we have seen in the TY. Okay, these same operators are there. Postulates of the quantum mechanics we have seen in the TY. Schrödinger time independent wave equation also we have seen in the TY. Okay, time dependent and time independent. Two equations are there. Okay, that we will see one by one. And then application of the quantum mechanics to the following system: free particle, wave function, energy of the free particle, then particle in the 1 or 2 and 3 dimensional box, separation of the variable. This is part is a different one, it is an extra part. Okay, then the harmonic oscillator, okay, that we have to see, we will see one by one, don't worry. Then chemical dynamics. In the chemical dynamics, see here, in the chemical dynamics, this part is just a little bit different, but we have seen that composite reactions, rate laws. In the chemical kinetics we have studied that. Here instead of the kinetics, that dynamics is given. Okay, rate laws, differential rate equation, consecutive reaction, steady state approximation, rate determining steps, microscopic reversibility, and the detailed balance chain reaction. Like these things are there, I will explain one by one to you. It is very simple unit of this paper. Polymerization reaction is there. Kinetics of the stepwise polymerization, calculation of degree of polymerization for the stepwise reaction, free radical chain polymerization, kinetic change length. We have seen the polymer, but we have not studied that kinetics of this particular thing. Okay, that we have to study. Then reaction is in gas phase. This Lindemann equation, Lindemann's theory that we have seen. Only just these two theories are different. That Rice-Ramsperger Cassel theory and another Marcus theory. These two theories are different. Otherwise, Lindemann we have seen in the TY. Electrochemistry, again these things we have seen in the TY up to the from the FY TY. Debye-Hückel theory and of the activity coefficient, Debye-Hückel limiting law and its extension to the higher concentration. हमने dilute solution के लिए देखा था, अभी higher concentration के लिए देखना. Electrolytic conductance and ionic interaction SY में था, ये relaxation effect. Debye-Hückel equation, this is another part, new part is added. Validity of this equation, it is a very simple one. Then Falkenhagen effect is there, that is a different one. When effect is there, that we will see one by one. Then batteries, in the batteries, that part was not there. Alkaline fuel cell was there. Okay, in the TY, phosphoric acid fuel cell, high temperature fuel cell. Okay, that example we have to see their construction, cell reaction and all this thing. Bioelectrochemistry, it is a very important new part hai. Okay, introduction, cells and membranes, membrane potential, theory of membrane potential, interfacial electron transfer and all these things. Goldman equation is there. Enzyme catalytic oxidation of the styrene. This particular bioelectrochemistry is there, means how you can generate electricity through the biochemical reaction. Okay, that this part supposed to we have to see in this particular physical. Okay, one by one we will see. Okay, once again I will say you don't worry about these things, we will do well. Okay, today just it is an introductory talk. From the next Monday we will start with the actual part. From the unit 1 we will start. Okay, see, notes I will circulate with you. I am waiting to get the notes from the reputed teacher of the university. Okay, he as he forwarded me, I will forward to you. Okay, better way you can start writing the notes as soon as you receive. Okay, as you got the notes, you have to write in your own notebook. Prepare the 4 notebooks, paper 1, paper 2, paper 3 and paper 4, and all of 3 will share the notes with you, and you're supposed to write that notes. What will happen if you are writing, then you will get an idea. Okay, otherwise you can't get that. Okay, today we'll stop here, then further discussion we'll do in the next lecture. Thank you for the joining.